Microsoft is about to put all other AI sales agents out of business with their own AI SDR, because Microsoft is the owner of Copilot, and 70% of Fortune 500 companies use Copilot. And on top of that, there are more than 400,000 custom AI agents built on Microsoft Copilot Studio. So it's safe to say Microsoft has all the data they need to create the best AI sales agents and replace all other AI SDRs, especially at the price that I'll reveal at the end. That's why today we'll cover the exact features Microsoft Sales Agent possesses to find out if it can actually help you automate your business and close more deals. Let's start off simple. First feature of Microsoft AI Sales Agent is the agent personalization. You can fine-tune the agent to better fit your company by uploading files to the agent. You teach the agent about your brand's voice, product, and more to ensure it stays between your set guardrails. By doing so, you make sure that the agent communicates the way you do and never hallucinates. With personalization set up out of the way, your AI sales agent is ready to function. Microsoft Copilot is built in a way to be able to hold a two-way personalized conversations, helping you close faster. Whenever a lead enters a contact form or appears in your CRM in any other way, the AI sales agent will start the conversation, answer questions, handle objections, validate the lead, and get it ready for you to close the deal. There are other agents with features like these, but Microsoft isn't trying to do something new. Microsoft is here to do it better. Remember how much data they have, with more than 400,000 agents built on their platform. With that, Microsoft can teach their agents to be the best of the best, reply the quickest, be the best at handling objections, and doing everything so efficiently that their pricing could never be beaten. But before we talk about the pricing, I still have to cover a feature Microsoft calls high impact deals. Like I mentioned, all inbound leads are taken care of by the sales agent. You don't have to do anything. But what if you want to? What if there's a deal that's too important for AI to handle? Well, AI will take those type of leads, prospects who are willing to spend a lot, basically important leads, and help you close them by providing summaries, next steps, and additional information. You'll have key insights with clear understanding on what to do next, so instead of scraping data and learning about the lead, you can focus on building the relationship and closing the deal. And all of that for $50 a month. Yeah, insane! An AI sales agent for a two-figure price. 50. That's a bargain. Well, maybe the price is small because it has a drawback of being an inbound-only AI sales agent. But if you combine Microsoft AI Sales Agent with an AI SDR like Agent Frank that autonomously generates leads, hyper-personalizes cold emails, and books sales calls on autopilot, you would have a team of agents doing all of the sales for you. Also, if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing. It was me, Sam. Have a good one, and peace.